Students nowadays, I think they prefer learning online. They're either on their phones, they're on their laptops. I think it's something that's easily accessible for them.
They're waiting for the bus going somewhere. They can just go through a couple of topics. So I think it's convenience, it's ease of access, it's time, and in general, just their lifestyle. It's more comfortable.
It's very simple, the platform, so it's not like anything difficult to access, so it's not confusing at all.
I've started revising more now that I'm using Pearson Revise because it condenses all of my notes down for the ebooks, and then once I've actually learned the topics, I can just answer the questions, see how well I've understood it.
They're able probably to do more questions in real time that they would do traditionally.
Pearson Revise, it's really on point, so I know that if this is something they need to know for their exam, it will be covered. And for students as well, I know that when I'm asking them for some revision activities to be done in the classroom, they prefer to go to Pearson Revise revision guides rather than using the whole textbook.
I think it increases my confidence because the quick quizzes, they allow you to have access to immediate feedback, whereas if I was to do it by myself, I wouldn't know if I'm correct or not, and I wouldn't know if I'm actually making progress by revising.
It was very self-explanatory, there's no extra instructions needed, and there was no single student who would contact me to say that they had problems and they needed some help. So they were really independent, and this is also a soft skill which we are happy to promote in our Year 11s.
Prioritising key topics, highlighting what the hot topics are, I think is a really big feature. I think students being able to reflect on their work, to analyse their own performance. If they nailed something or they need to work on something more, they can look back at it, they can go back to their initial contents and identify where their strengths are and where they need to improve.
Instead of buying various revision guides, I think it's much better and much more sustainable for school and for students to use online subscription.
I find it helpful having all the ebooks stored in one place, so it means even when I'm not at home or if I don't have my physical copies available to me, I can still revise whenever I need to.
Using Pearson platform gives teachers and students more confidence to use Pearson Revise because we are using the Edexcel exam syllabus, so it's a natural fit.